This is a focus on Josef Herman's Memory of Memories. In many ways, this is a sad part of Josef Herman's story, but it's also a very beautiful part. Josef Herman was born in January 1911 in Warsaw, Poland, into a Jewish family. Here we see a sketch called Scrubbing the Floor from about 1935. This is just before Josef Herman left Poland. In 1938, at the age of 27, Herman fled Poland to Belgium due to the mounting anti-Semitism prior to the outbreak of the Second World War. When Herman left Poland, his mother saw him off at the railway station and said, "Never come back," meaning that Poland was never going to be a safe place again for him. Herman arrived in Glasgow in 1940, and between 1940 and 1943, he contributed to the art of the city. And tragically, in 1942, Herman learnt through the Red Cross that his entire family had been killed in the Warsaw ghetto. In Glasgow, Herman had already begun the body of work on Jewish themes. This now developed into the Memory of Memories, also called Glasgow Drawings 1940 to 43. In these drawings, we see Herman remembering his family and friends from Poland. Herman said of these drawings in 1985 when they were exhibited for the first time, "Today, after so many years, I look at these drawings as though they were done by someone else. But deep down, I know they are a part of me, a memory of memories." He goes on to say, "People, theatre, stories, life, they all evoke nostalgia, and this nostalgia is the background of these drawings." Herman also said, "I walked the streets of the Scottish city, and all I could see was what my memory wanted me to see, a fabric of a distant life which was nonetheless part of me, men and women of a unique spirit. I could not touch them, but I could follow them with a line. I could draw a characteristic detail of their clothing, an expression, a gesture of their hands. I followed a dream. My memory of those people was beautiful." These drawings were forgotten by Herman until about the 1980s, when they were discovered by him underneath the bed in his studio. They were exhibited for the first time in 1985 in Glasgow. They were evidently important to him, as he had kept them since 1943. In 1943, Herman moves to London, bringing the series to a close, and then in 1944 he moves to Ysgol in Wales, where he saw the coal miners standing on a bridge. Herman said of this experience, "For a split second their heads appeared against the full body of the sun, as against a yellow disc. The whole image was not unlike that of an icon depicting the saints with their halos. The magnificence of the scene overwhelmed me." Josef Herman lived in Ysgol for 11 years, but the miners in Wales remained an important part of his work for the rest of his life.